I'm Katie Fitzgerald, and I'm the program coordinator for the Northern Explorers Summer Camp. At Northern Schoolhouse and at the Northern Explorers Summer Camp, we center around 3 ideas, and that is classical, nature, and the arts. When we created this summer camp, we wanted to build something that was an all-outdoor summer camp that was a combination of nature skills, bushcraft, meets a culture fair or an arts fair, and the result was the Northern Explorers Summer Camp. We're an all-outdoors summer camp. We're located on the Northern Academy, Northern Schoolhouse campus, where we have lots of room to roam through various meadow spaces and some woods. Our workshops have been a wide variety of activities, from archery, falconry, swordsmanship, gardening, cooking, weaving, theater, Shakespeare. Every day we have lunch as a picnic out on the lawn. Nature is almost like a great neutralizer. It's really helpful to the child who may be feeling a little timid, a little afraid, a little shy. Being outdoors in nature really helps those personalities open up and feel more comfortable in themselves. And then it also has an effect on the children who are very active, maybe even a little reckless. Nature tames them a bit. You know, the river invites you to cross it, and on the one hand, you have to be very brave and confident in order to get across. And on the other hand, you have to be very self-controlled and restrained, because the river does not respond to your whim. You have to play its game. Throughout the course of the summer camp, we do take our bus off-site a few times, and we take little mini adventures, hiking. We've gone horseback riding, rafting, climbing, and many other things. Some people will ask us, being outside all day, every day for weeks, working with fire, working with knives, working with weapons such as bows and arrows, is this safe for my child? While all of these things have an element of risk to them, when approached in a careful and methodical manner, side by side with our guides, we keep a very low guide to camper ratio, usually 3 campers per guide or 4 campers per guide. And this is also a really important piece to keeping everybody safe and happy when working with really dynamic activities. We've gotten some great parent feedback from our campers' parents. They've noticed that their campers during the course of our camp become more adventurous, they become more confident, they become more aware of the people in their community and of their personal space. We've had some very, very active children whose parents have told us that, oh, for the first time recently, my child is finishing their dinner and going to bed early because they've been outside all day long, running around and working hard. And this is a very gratifying activity, really builds up an appetite and gets you ready for a good night's rest. We're an all-outdoor summer camp, and we're also tech-free, so kids leave their devices at home so that they can fully unplug and be present with each other and with nature. So we're really looking forward to seeing you this summer.